Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a blue eyeshadow inspired by Kim K, makeup artist, makeup by Mario. And as you can see, I apply my foundation, my powder and everything already. I know it probably look crazy now, but afterwards I'm going to blend everything right out. So I'm just going to use a fluffy brush to apply my eyeshadow. I'm using my same drugstore palette. I'm using two blue shades. I'm using the light shades of my for my transition shade. So I'm just going to apply that, and on top of that I'm going to apply the other dark blue and blend everything right out. I am using a flat brush to put my concealer on top. Don't worry if it covers some of the product, the eyeshadow on my eyes. I'm just going to blend everything on my lid, not everything. I'm just the base of my lid. So I'm going to use a flat brush, apply the blue shade eyeshadow on top, and after I'm going to just blend everything right out. With Kim K eyeshadow is more popping because she has light skin and I'm dark skin, so to make this more blue and more, I'm using my Find This brush pencil. I don't know the correct name, but I'm using the smallest brush, as it's like an eyeliner brush, and I'm going to use that same blue, apply under my waterline, my bottom waterline. So I'm just going to blend that out. Take your time doing this step because I don't want no one poke their eye out. Now I'm using my Kylie Jenner Cosmetic black eyeliner pencil, and I'm just going to apply that on my lower and top lid because with Kim K I realized that she used a little of black eyeliner pencil, so I'm just going to use mine. I'm using my mascara by Senti in black, and I'm just going to apply that on my lashes, my lower and top lashes. I know guys, I don't have lashes. I have small amount of lashes, so I'm creating my own. Okay, I'm creating my own. So yeah, I'm going to use two lip color to create my nude lips, and I'm going to use my precious brown lip color lipstick, by Queen. The brand is Queen. As you can see that it has a crown on the top. And I'm using my NYX lip gloss by Sherbet, and that's my favorite lip gloss, nude lip gloss. So I'm just going to apply and blend everything on my lips. I'm going to apply lashes. Okay guys, this is the finished look of Kim K, Blue Eyes inspired. Yes, I love it. It just look popping. um, I just I love how the blue just keep your eyes popping. I know I don't look like Kim K, but I'm rocking her blue eyes inspired by her makeup artist, makeup by Mario. And yeah, if you like this look, please give me a thumbs up guys, and I see you in my next video.